Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the text edit command in AutoCAD. Now, this is really helpful if you've got multiple blocks of text, and especially if you've got grouped items that have text grouped with objects, like I do here. I've got this one. This one's a grouped object with text. And I'm sure we all know that in order to edit this text, you've got to double click on it, and then that gives you this, and it's going to give you the list of all the objects within that group. And if you've got a huge grouped object with a whole bunch of objects and text inside there, you're going to have to, scroll through your list here and try to find the right one. But that's where the text edit command comes in handy. So I'm going to show you how to use that. So down here in your command box here, just type in there text edit and hit enter. Now once you do that, you get this tiny little box here. Your cursor turns into this tiny little box, signifying that you are in the mode. And then you get some options down here. You got the undo, or you've got mode. Now mode, if you click on that, you have single or multiple. Now single will allow you to edit a block of text just one time. And if you choose multiple, multiple will allow you to, once you edit one and you click out of it, you can go directly to the next, and it keeps you in the text edit mode. So we'll do single just to see how that works. So in the single, I'm just going to edit this one here. And as soon as you click on that, it just brings you right into it. And leader line. And then once you click out of it, that just turns your cursor right back to whatever your cursor's set to, and pulls you out of the text edit. So then if you want to go back into it, you either have to double click into there, you got to do the text edit all over again. Now to do the multiple, we'll go back to text edit, hit enter, go back into mode, and select multiple. Now it's going to remember the last one you did, so it's still set to single, so I'm going to switch it to multiple. So now once I do that, I'll just click right on this one, and as soon as I'm done editing, click out of that, and you still got the text edit box there, and you can just go to the next one, and you can just type whatever you want. As soon as you click out, puts you right back into text edit mode, and you can go to the next. And with the grouped object with your text, all you have to do is just click on the text, and then there you go. You can just select the text that you want within your grouped object and make the changes that you want without having to go through that group list. And once you're done, when you're in multiple mode for text edit, once you're done, just hit escape or enter, and that'll just get you right out. Now I hope that was helpful. And don't forget, if there's anything you want to see in a video, just drop me a line in the comments and I'll put something together. And don't forget to subscribe. And thank you very much for watching.